Sai Ram. We, the Mahilas of the Brindavan Bhajan Group, offer our most loving and humble pranams at the divine lotus feet of our beloved Swami. This Gurupoornima celebration is unique in its own way as we present our offerings virtually with His divine grace and blessings. Let us all recall the true meaning of Guru as quoted by our Swami on this auspicious occasion. Guru is the one who removes darkness or ignorance and raises us to his own level with absolutely no ego or selfishness. Likewise, our beloved Bhagavan not only guides us but also helps us realize the divinity within us. On this auspicious occasion, let us all prostrate at the divine lotus feet and begin our offering with a Ganapati Prarthana, followed by Guru Stotram, which is an excerpt from the Guru Gita authored by the sage Vyasa.
वक्रतुण्ड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभा निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा अगजानन पद्मार्कं गजाननं अहर्निशम् अनेकदं तं भक्तानां एकदं तं उपास्महे एकदं तं उपास्महे।
अखण्डमण्डलाकारं व्याप्तं येन चराचरं तत्पदं दर्शितं येन तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। अज्ञानतिमिरान्धस्य ज्ञानाञ्जनशलाकया चक्षुरुन्मीलितं येन तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरुरेव परं ब्रह्मा तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। स्थावरं जङ्गमं व्याप्तं यत्किञ्चित् सचराचरं तत्पदं दर्शितं येन तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। चिन्मयं व्यापि यत् सर्वं त्रैलोक्यं सचराचरं तत्पदं दर्शितं येन तस्मै श्री गुरवे सर्वश्रुतिशिरोरत्न विराजितपदाम्बुजः वेदान्ताम्बुजसूर्योय तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। चैतन्यशाश्वतशान्तो व्योमातीतो निरञ्जनः बिन्दुनादकलातीत तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। ज्ञानशक्तिसमारूढः तत्त्वमाला विभूषिता भुक्तिमुक्ति प्रदाता च तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः।
अनेक जन्म संप्राप्त कर्मबन्ध विदायिने आत्मज्ञान प्रदानेन तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः।
शोषणं भवसिन्धुश्च ज्ञापनं सारसम्पदः गुरोः पादोदकं सम्यक् तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। न गुरोरधिकं तत्त्वं न गुरोरधिकं तप तत्त्वज्ञानात् परं नास्ति तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः।
मनसाथ श्री जगन्नाथ मद्गुरु श्री जगद्गुरु मदात्मा सर्वभूतात्मा तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः।
गुरुरादिरणादिश्च गुरु परमदैवतम् गुरोः परतरं नास्ति तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। त्वमेव माता च पिता त्वमेव त्वमेव बन्धुश्च सखा त्वमेव त्वमेव विद्या द्रविणं त्वमेव त्वमेव सर्वं मम देव देवा श्री साई देवा।
Guru Paduka Stotram. This chant is very powerful, glorifying the Guru Padukas written by Adi Shankara. This chant enables one to become receptive to the Guru's grace. Let us all listen to the offering. अनन्त संसार समुद्रतार नौकायिताभ्यां गुरुभक्तिदाभ्यां वैराग्य साम्राज्यदपो जनाभ्यां नमो नमः श्री गुरुपादुकाभ्यां नमो नमः श्री गुरुपादुकाभ्याम्।
कवित्ववाराशिनी शाकराभ्यां दौर्भाग्यदावां बुधमालिकाभ्यां दूरीकृतान्यं रविपतिताभ्यां नमो नमः श्री गुरुपादुकाभ्यां नमो नमः श्री गुरुपादुकाभ्यां नमो नमः श्री गुरुपादुकाभ्याम्।
नताययोः श्रीपतितां समीयुः कदाचिदप्याशु दारिद्र्यवर्याः मूकाश्च वाचस्पतितां हिताभ्यां नमो नमः श्री गुरुपादुकाभ्यां नमो नमः श्री गुरुपादुकाभ्याम्।
नालीकणिकाशपदहृदाभ्यां नानाविमोहादिनिवारिकाभ्यां नमज्जनाभीष्टतति प्रदाभ्यां नमो नमः श्री गुरुपादुकाभ्यां नमो नमः श्री गुरुपादुकाभ्याम्।
रूपालिमौली व्रजरत्नकान्ति सरिद्विराजन् जशकन्यकाभ्यां नृपत्वदाभ्यां नतलोकपन्ति नमो नमः श्री गुरुपादुकाभ्यां नमो नमः श्री गुरुपादुकाभ्यां नमो नमः श्री गुरुपादुकाभ्याम्।
पापान्धकारार्कपरम्पराभ्यां तापत्रयाहीन्द्रकधीश्वराभ्यां जाड्याब्धिसंशोषणमाणवाभ्यां नमो नमः श्री गुरुपादुकाभ्यां नमो नमः श्री गुरुपादुकाभ्याम्।
श्यामानिशत्तप्रभवैभवाभ्यां समाधिदानाव्रतदीक्षिताभ्यां मुक्तेः स्थिरभक्तिदाभ्यां नमो नमः श्री गुरुपादुकाभ्यां
कामादिसर्पव्रजगारुडाभ्यां विवेकवैराग्यनिधिप्रदाभ्यां बोधप्रदाभ्यां धृतमोक्षदाभ्यां नमो नमः श्रीगुरुपादुकाभ्यां नमो नमः श्रीगुरुपादुकाभ्याम्
Let us now listen to one of the songs composed on a Guru Poornima day by late Srimati Parvati Mahadevan, who was a revered member of the Brindavan Bhajan Group.
Sada Satswarupam Chedanandakandam Jagat Sambhavasthana Samhara Hetum Swabhakte Chayam Manusham Darshayantam Namamishwaram Satgurum Sai Ram Devadi Deva Dehi Tava Seva 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 Devadi
shall now listen to Srimati Jayanti, a member of our Brindavan Bhajan Group, sharing her experiences with our Swami.
Om Sri Sai Ram, my most humble pranams at the divine lotus feet of our Bhagavan. First, I would like to wish you all a very happy Guru Poornima. I would like to start the talk with the divine words of Bhagavan. You cannot see me, but I am the light you see by. You cannot hear me, but I am the sound you hear by. You cannot know me, but I am the truth you live by. It is so true. In this world, we cannot lead a righteous and good life without the proper guidance of a Guru. As Saint Kabirdas said, Guru is next to God. Same way, Saint Tyagaraja in one of the Kirtanas has mentioned that very good human beings also require Guru for transformation. For a Swami is God and he came down to our human level to show us how to lead a life, good life. And how to transform ourselves into good human beings. We should show our respect and love to Swami by transforming ourselves into better human beings. We should be like the lotus, unaffected by the dirt around us. Don't we offer fresh fruits and fresh flowers to Swami? Same way, our heart also should be pure, unaffected by the dirt around us and unpolluted when we approach Swami. Swami wanted only love from us, not our worldly success like wealth or position. I am very grateful to Swami for bringing me to him. As a small girl, I was a Balvika student. During my college days, I used to sing bhajans in samitis. I used to get Swami's dreams often and I used to narrate my mother. After marriage, I came to Bangalore and got several opportunities to go to Puttaparthi. Swami always used to look at me with so much love. My devotions for Swami grew more and more day by day. As my husband had transferable job, we were in Bhopal where I was a bhajan singer and went for seva to Puttaparthi from Bhopal. And Swami blessed my letters, photos, etc. during the blessing and he spoke to me. After that, we got transferred to Bangalore. In Bangalore, I joined as a Sevadal and used to enjoy doing seva to Swami, during which Swami transformed me a lot. I started understanding spirituality better. One day before Ugadi, Swami called all of us into Thrai Brindavan for blessing. And when we were all sitting in a row, Swami came to me and he asked, "From where you are coming?" Tears started coming from my eyes as I experienced 1,000 mothers' love at one stroke when he was talking to me. I got lot of blessings and lot of miracles have happened in my life, but due to shortage of time, I cannot narrate everything in detail. One more miracle was Swami saved me from cancer. I happened to go to Seva to Sai Darshan and I felt extremely tired. I went for checkup the next day and found that I had cancer. With Swami's grace, my treatment went off very well, which would not have been possible without the help of a divine hand. My health is very poor. Each time Swami shows on time what is my problem. One more miracle happened during my cancer treatment. I used to chant regularly Shivastuti. One fine day, I found lot of sprinkles of Vibhuti on Kala Bhairavan page. And to this day, I chant the Kala Bhairavan Shlokam. I understood that Swami wanted me to chant the Shlokam every day. Swami has been like this a very guiding and strong pillar throughout my life. I am ever grateful to Swami. And I bow low to Swami, praying that always he should give me lot of opportunity to do his service wherever I am, which is the only divine way to reach God. With these words, I would like to conclude my talk. Jai Sai Ram.
आत्मतमोहारे नाना ललित रुद्रलीला रूप रूप विहारी रूप रूप विहारी अंतर कमली हे आत्मतमोहारी अंतर कमली अंतर कमली अंतर कमली गुरु हे
Sai Ram to one and all gathered here on this auspicious occasion of Guru Poornima and also called as Vyasa Poornima. My humble pranams at the lotus feet of our beloved Bhagavan, Sri Satya Sai Baba Varu, and Sai Ram to one and all assembled here. We are here to refresh our wonderful experiences with Swami on this auspicious Guru Poornima day. And first I would seek the permission from Swami and also seek the blessings to share few experiences of our senior gurus, senior bhajan singers, who in turn shared their beautiful experiences with Swami in that golden times. They are very precious and like gold, as they can be passed on to the future generations as Swami's prasadam and also blessings. Today's topic is about Antaryami Sai, our guru and guide. The meaning Antaryami means inside Swami, residing within you, your mind, body and soul. Before this, let us note the experience of our senior bhajans, gurus and singers of Brindavan, who had the experience of Swami's darshanam, sparshanam and sambhashanam. How thrilling the experiences would be, no, really? Swami is the only guru, bandhu and sakha, and he is always, who guides us from outside and inside also, and transforms all of us through our mind, soul. Antaryami Sai, Purna Brahma Avatari, Hridaya Vihari, He Giridhari, Krishna Kunja Bihari. Such a beautiful bhajan. The Brindavan Bhajan Group seniors are fortunate and are blessed to receive Bhagavan's guidance in innumerable number of times. Swami is the ultimate guru, bandhu and sakha. Sai Pita or Mata Sai, Dina Dayala Data Sai, Sai Sakha, Sai Sahodar, Sai Satya Shiva, Sai Sundar, Veda Upanishad Gita Sai. What a beautiful words. Swami is the first guru to all our bhajan singers, and Swami, he himself used to sing the bhajans. Swami advised in one of the interviews with our bhajan singers, as bhajan singers, your prime focus should be only on bhajan singing, bhajan practice and remembering the Lord with utmost love, be it any form of your Ishta Devata. Swami also told about bhajan practice in a humorous note, smiling, if you are sing Apashruti without proper practice, I have to stuff my ears with cotton. Also, that's why I cover my ears with my hair, and he laughs mischievously. Swami told always to avoid unnecessary talks, especially over phone, pointing his palm at the singers, always chatting. Please don't do it. Bhajan singers' duty is to sing nicely bhajans, singing, and also do not ride on two horses, being here and there. As lead singers, you must be very careful of your pronunciation, as the devotees follow you correctly. So the responsibility lies with you to connect them to Lord. If you sing Kodandarama and the listener hears it as Dodandarama, who needs punishment? The bhajan leader or the follower? Bhajan singing is the highest service, leading all the devotees to Bhakti Margam with immense bhavam. In another incident, Srimati Parvati Mahadevan auntie was guided by Swami, and I would like to share that experience. SLN Jewelers was blessed by Swami to make silver padukas to Swami's feet size for devotees to keep in their puja rooms for puja. Parvati Mahadevan auntie was keen to buy one pair of them, and she was collecting money and keeping further, but in vain. She tried many times but could not get it. In some of the interviews to her family, Swami in Prashant Nilayam in early 80s welcomed her into the interview room, addressing Enna, radio singer, Enna Venum, what do you want? Satyasai Padambujam, Bhajare Manasa Nirantaram. Other than Satyasai Padambujam, anyone wants else? Nothing. She folded her palms in prayer and asked Swami, I want your padukas in my puja. Swami smiled, my padukas? Yes, excellent family is benefiting a lot. You are a bhajan singer, right? Why do you want my padukas and to be chained to silver padukas only? In a puja room, that too. You must place my padukas in Hridaya Mandiram and feel their blessings as you offer Namasmarana. These silver ones are for others, not for my bhajan singers on the spiritual path. Namasmarana is first and uppermost that lies within the divine grace, to attain the divine grace also. प्रेम से आवो प्रभु जी, हृदय मंदिर में सदा रहो, एंड दर्शन दो गिरिधारी, मुझे चरण के पास बुलाओ हे प्रभु, भक्ति ज्ञान का दीप जलाओ, प्रेम रस का आनंद दीजो, बसो मोरे हृदय में सदा, हृदय निवासी अंतर्यामी, हृदय निवासी अंतरंग साई. So everyone must practice Tyaga, Vairagya and Vicharana. Bangaru, Chesko, Tisko na Padanamaskaram. He gave her Padanamaskaram, saying, keep these moments in your heart. Digest this one Namaskaram throughout your life. Parvati Mahadevan came out of the interview room that day with lot of transformation in her attitude to having what others had, or thinking everyone must get the same type of blessings. She was narrating this incident to Tulasamma, a very blessed devotee who was residing in those days in Prashanti Nilayam, and she enjoyed Parvati Amma's bhajans. Tulasamma reached into her puja room and brought one small plate filled with Swami's idols, and that too manifested by him, and she gave Parvati Amma a pair of tiny silver padukas of Swami filled with vibhuti. She added, Parvati, size or cost does not matter. Anoraniyam Mahato Mahiyam is our Sai. He asked me to give these padukas to you for your puja. Isn't it thrilling? Sai's priceless love and grace aparam. In this way, our beloved Bhagavan showered his grace and blessings to his devotees. Now let me tell you few incidents that happened to my life. Swami's services and enormous grace I heard through our Sai devotee friends, Mrs. Jaya Shankaran. So, but out of my music interest, I used to attend Sai bhajans in their house. One day, our senior devotee and Brindavan Bhajan coordinator, Srimati Padma Arun Venkatesh, called me up and she told me to enroll myself for Brindavan auditions as bhajan singer. But at that time my voice was an acute problem and I could not even raise my voice and sing. So how can I compare myself and compete with them and the people who sing so nicely for Brindavan auditions? So she very softly told me, you are a good singer, and in such situation Swami will definitely recognize your need and your interest and help you definitely. You please come and attend the auditions, and I am sending the list of bhajans. I attended the bhajans in a very soft manner, in a very soft low shruti, and I sang one slow bhajan and also one fast number. But after that I never even turned back and asked her about the results. But one fine day she called me and asked me, are you not interested to find out the results? So I said reluctantly, okay, tell me what happened exactly. So she told, you are selected by Swami's grace with good score. So I was shocked. Is it? So that is Swami, Antaryami. He knows your interest of singing and he definitely will place you with his utmost care and love. So that is how he came into my life and I started singing bhajans. So for all these things, we have to pray our Hridaya Nivasi, Antaryami, for guiding us throughout our lives and finally reach the destination of the lotus feet of our Swami. So in this occasion, I would love to mention few bhajan singers and our gurus who trained us so lovingly to the journey of spiritual path. And they are Prabha Sridharan Aunty, Vimala Shyam Aunty, Lakshmi Srinivasan Aunty, Padma Arun Venkatesh, Raji Sudhakaran, and we affectionately used to call Lakshmi Srinivasan Aunty as Mother, Amma. Even at the age of 80 plus, she comes all the way to Brindavan and listens our music and guides us and gives her nice precious comments and encourages her towards his spiritual journey. Yandaro Mahanubhavulu, Andariki Vandanamalu. Swami, you gave me this great opportunity to tell a few words in my level of reach, and I could tell these many things. Swami, thank you very much. Thank you very much for giving me such a great opportunity. Sai Ram to one and all.
राघवं करुणाकरं भयनाशनं दुरितापहं राघवं करुणाकरं भयनाशनं दुरितापहं माधवं मधुसूदनं पुरुषोत्तमं
Shri Sai Ram. अज्ञानतिमिरान्धस्य ज्ञानाञ्जनशलाखया चक्षुरुन्मीलितं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः. He removes the darkness of ignorance by applying the ointment of spiritual knowledge. He opens our eyes and enlightens us. Salutations unto that holy Guru, our beloved Sadguru, Bhagavan Sri Satya Sai Baba. In our entire life's journey, there are numerous people to whom we are greatly indebted. It is our duty to offer our gratitude to them, the foremost being the mother, the father, the teacher, and the omniscient God. Gratitude is a noble quality, and our Bhagavan wishes that we all be virtuous enough to be grateful. Guru Poornima is the day we express our love to our Gurus, irrespective of what faith we belong to. Swami, we thank Thee for granting us innumerable opportunities over lifetimes, for immeasurable grace, invaluable guidance, and unwavering support. Thank you, Swami.
ఐకమత్యం అందరూ ఒక్కటిగా చేరిందటంటే ఎంత సుఖం. నా వెనక ఇంకా 10 మంది ఉన్నారు అనేటువంటి ధైర్యము, ఆనందము, ఉత్సాహము, ప్రోత్సాహాన్ని కూడా చేకూరుస్తుంది.
Unity is joy, delight and happiness. Unity brings about the welfare of all people. With unity, any stupendous task and Himalayan Herculean task could be accomplished.
అందరూ ఐకమత్యంగా పనిచేసి ఎంతటి కార్యాన్నైనా మనం సాధించవచ్చు.
With unity, any stupendous task could be accomplished.
చిన్న చిన్న చీమలన్నీ చేరి పెద్ద సర్పాన్ని కూడా చంపేస్తుండేది మనం చేస్తున్నాం.
We can see even small ants by coming together can kill even a big snake.
కనుక మానవత్వం అనేటువంటిది ఐకమత్యంగా ఉంటుంటే మనం సాధించలేనటువంటిది ఏమిటి ఈ జగత్తులో?
If there is unity among humanity, is there any work which cannot be accomplished at all?
ఐకమత్యం ఎప్పుడు మనకు లభిస్తుంది?
When can we get that unity?
మన హృదయాలు పవిత్రము గావించుకున్నప్పుడే ఈ ఐకమత్యం అనేటువంటిది మనకు లభిస్తుంది.
Only when we purify our hearts, we can achieve that kind of unity.
ఈ హృదయాలు పవిత్రమైనప్పుడే దివ్యత్వం అనే దాన్ని మనం అందులో ప్రతిబింబ చేసుకుంటాం.
Only when we purify our hearts, the divinity gets reflected in our hearts.
కనుక యూనిటీ నుండి ప్యూరిటీ నుండి డివినిటీ, ఈ మూడింటి ఎందుకు కూడా మనం అనుభూతి కావాలి. కానీ ఈనాడు యూనిటీ లేదు, ప్యూరిటీ లేదు, డివినిటీ లేదు, ఓన్లీ కమ్యూనిటీ. దీన్ని పట్టుకొని అల్లాడుతున్నాము. వీడు నావాడు, వాడు నా, ఇదా మనం సాధించవలసినటువంటి ఈ తుచ్చమైనటువంటి యొక్క ఈ తుచ్చభావాన్ని దూరం చేసి యూనిటీ, మనం అందరూ ఒక దైవం బిడ్డలము. మన అందరి యందు ఉన్నటువంటి దైవం ఒక్కడే. ఏ జాతి, మతము, కులము, భేదము, వర్ణములు అనేటువంటి దాన్ని దూరము నెట్టి అందరూ ఒక అన్నతమ్ముల వలె, ఒక ఆత్మస్వరూపుల వలె మెలగినప్పుడే ఇదే మానవత్వము, ఆనాడే దేశము నిత్య కళ్యాణంగా రూపొందుతుంది.
शं नो मित्रः शं वरुणः शं नो भवत्वर्यमा शं न इन्द्रो बृहस्पतिः शं नो विष्णुरुक्रमः नमो ब्रह्मणे नमस्ते वायो त्वमेव प्रत्यक्षं ब्रह्मासि त्वामेव प्रत्यक्षं ब्रह्म वदिष्यामि ऋतं वदिष्यामि सत्यं वदिष्यामि तन्मामवतु तद्वक्तारमवतु अवतु माम् अवतु वक्तारम् ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः. व्यासाय
विष्णुरूपाय व्यासरूपाय विष्णवे नमो वै ब्रह्मनिधये वासिष्ठाय नमो नमः नमो वै ब्रह्मनिधये वासिष्ठाय नमो नमः. As morning dawns and day awakes, to you I bring my need. O gracious God, my source of strength, in you I live and breathe. Each hour is yours by wisdom planned, each deed and part by sovereign hands. Renew my spirit, help me stand, be glorified today. As day unfolds, I seek your will in all of life's demands. And though the tempter tries me still, I cling to your commands. Let every effort of my life display the matchless worth of Christ. Make me a living sacrifice, be glorified today.
अशम्मवहो वहिस्तेम अस्ति पुष्टो अस्ति उष्टो हमाय यत अशाय वहिस्तोय अशेम अशम्मवहो वहिस्तेम अस्ति पुष्टो अस्ति उष्टो हमाय Yatashoy vahistoy ashem Ashammavahu vahistem asti Pushto asti Pushto ahamay Yat ashoy vahistoy ashem.
सतनाम करता पुरख निर्भय निर्वैर अकाल मूरत अजूनी सैभ्यं गुर प्रसाद जप आद सच जुगाद सच है भी सच नानक होसी भी सच.
Bismillahir-Rahmanir-Rahim. Rahim. Malik
Bekanze Mahabekanze Rajasamudgate Soha Teyatam Bekanze Mahabekanze Rajasamudgate Soha Teyatam Bekanze Mahabekanze Rajasamudgate Soha Teyatam Bekanze Mahabekanze Rajasamudgate Soha. Namo Arihantanam Namo Siddhanam Namo Vairyanam Namo Vachayanam Namo Loisavasahunam Eso Panchanamokaro Savapavapanasano Manghalanam che savesim Padhamam havai mangalam Padhamam havai mangalam.
Okka Chinna Katha. When Bhagavan intercepts the speeding current of his discourse with these 3 Telugu words, which means one little story. All ears are alert, all hearts are kiwi. The Chinna Katha, if only we ponder over its relevance, is an effective instrument in Bhagavan's educational process. Here is one such charming story which describes how Guru's grace brings eternal glory.
Om Shri Sai Ram. Adi Shankara had 4 disciples, Totaka, Hastamalaka, Sureshwara and Padmapada. Padmapada was initially called as Sanandana. He was a bright and intelligent boy from the southern part of Bharat. He completed his initial studies in his hometown, and in pursuit of his spiritual progress, he went to Kashi in search of a guru. Adi Shankara was giving discourses in Vedanta at that point of time. Sanandana was drawn towards Shankara.
He went to Shankara, offered his pranams, and requested him to accept him as his disciple. Seeing the keenness of this young aspirant, Shankara accepted him as his disciple. Sanandana stayed with Shankara, serving him and learning from him. One day, Sanandana was on the other side of river Ganges, washing his master's clothes. Suddenly, Shankara called out to him, "Sanandana! Sanandana!" As soon as Sanandana heard his guru's voice calling out his name, he rushed and started to walk on the river. Everyone was surprised, but Sanandana knew that the blessing of his guru would rescue him, and it did. Wherever his foot was laid on the river, a sturdy lotus bloomed and bore him on its petals. From then onwards, Sanandana was called as Padmapada. The grace of the Guru enabled him to master all knowledge and shine as a brilliant exponent of the ancient wisdom. Now let's see what Baba says about the significance of this story. The story tells us about Adi Shankara having all great qualities of an ideal Guru, Padmapada having all good qualities like devotion and serving nature of an ideal disciple. Above all, the foremost quality that Padmapada had was to take his Guru's word as command and obeys his orders with utmost discipline. So Bhagavan says, if you follow your Guru's word as command and follow his path, you will be successful and you will be saved. Bhagavan also says, give the Guru your mind as you would entrust gold to the goldsmith. Thank you. Sai Ram.
Let's offer our gratitude to our dearest Lord for this golden opportunity He has given us to offer bhajans at His lotus feet. Our precious Guru, it's with your blessings and permission that we are able to sing. Your sweet speech, Mrudu Pallava, is the Pallavi of our bhajan. The mutual relationship we share is the Anupallavi. Your feet, Charan, are the Charanam. Your Akriti, form, is the entire bhajan. Let us now listen to Ayya Guruvarya.
Guruvarya, 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 Ayya Guruvarya, Ayya Guruvarya, Ayya Guruvarya. Ni aanatito paduchuntimaya, ni aanatito paduchuntimaya, Ayya Guruvarya. Ni mridu pallava vacho vilasamu pallaviga, pallaviga. Ni anubandhamu anupallaviga, ni anubandhamu anupallaviga. Ni charanamule చరణముగా, నీ చరణములే చరణముగా, నీ ఆకృతియే మాకృతిగా, నీ ఆకృతియే మాకృతిగా, నీ ఆనతితో పాడుచుంటిమయ్యా, అయ్యా Guruvarya, 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 Guruvarya.
The next rendition is a Meera Bhajan. It tells us about the complete surrender of Meera at her master's feet with utmost devotion. When such surrender happens, the illusion of the whole world and its associated struggles and activities disappear, and only the eagerness to be accepted by the Guru remains. The next song is a Tamil composition. Here, the disciple is pining for the grace of the Guru. He requests the Guru to give him protection and to reassure him whenever unseen calamities strike. He further goes on to say the Abhayahasta of the Guru gives him the courage to take crores of birds and dedicate all of them to his master. Let us listen to that.
அலை மீது அலையாக
have yet another beautiful composition which is dedicated to our beloved Bhagwan. This explains how fortunate are we to receive the divine nectar and his divine message on the holy occasion of Guru Poornima. It also reassures us that success is bound to be ours on constant repetition of our Lord's name. Let us listen to Tava Karamamritam.
Tava Karamamritam Ati Ati Madhuram Tava Karamamritam Ati Ati Madhuram Tava Mridu Bhashanam Madhuram Madhuram Tava Karamamritam Guru Poornami Dine Amritam Panam Guru Poornami Dine Amritam Panam Guru Sai Mama Sukritam Sukritam Guru Sai Mama Sukritam Sukritam Tava Karamamritam गीताराधनं शुभदिने स्वीकृतं पीताम्बरधारी गीतोपदेशी साई राम नामस्मरणं साई राम नामस्मरणं सदा श्रवणं सकलं विजयं सदा श्रवणं सकलं विजयं तव करममृतम् अति अति मधुरं तव मृदु भाषणं मधुरं 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 मधुरम्.
The following song advises us to remain steady in our own self. When done so, the Sadguru enriches everything we do. O Swami, our inner master, the master of all, we surrender to you and seek your support. Let us now listen to Sadguru Tumre Kaj Savare.
सतगुरु तुमरे काज सवारे तुमरे काज सवारे तुमरे काज सवारे सतगुरु तुमरे काज सवारे तुमरे काज सवारे फिर घर वैसो हर जन प्यारे फिर घर वैसो हर जन प्यारे तुमरे काज सवारे तुमरे काज सवारे सतगुरु शरण पड़े प्रभु अंतर जामी शरण पड़े प्रभु अंतर जामी नानक ओट पकड़ी प्रभु स्वामी नानक ओट पकड़ी प्रभु स्वामी तुमरे काज सवारे तुमरे काज सवारे सतगुरु तुमरे काज सवारे तुमरे काज सवारे सतनाम वाहेगुरु 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 सतनाम वाहेगुरु.
Coming up next is a Tyagaraja Kriti. It says, however virtuous a man might be, without the grace of a Guru, he will not know how to cure himself of the mental ills that afflict him. Tyagaraja says that the compassion of his Guru enabled him to attain the supreme knowledge and to get rid of the worldly attachments. The composition is Guruleka Ituvanti in Gauri Manohari Raga, set to Khandachapu Tala.
Guruleka Ituvanti Guleke
ಮುಂದೆ ಒಂದು ಕನ್ನಡ ಭಕ್ತಿಗೀತೆಯನ್ನು ಕೇಳೋಣ. ಕಾಣುವ ಪ್ರಕೃತಿಗೆ ಭಗವಂತನು ಕಾರಣನಾದರೆ ಕಾಣದಂತಹ ಭಗವಂತನನ್ನು ನೋಡಲು ಗುರುವು ಕಾರಣನಾಗುತ್ತಾನೆ. ಗುರುವಿನ ಮೇಲೆ ಸಂಪೂರ್ಣ ಭಕ್ತಿ ಶ್ರದ್ಧೆಗಳನ್ನಿಟ್ಟರೆ ನಮ್ಮೊಳಗಿರುವ ಭಗವಂತನನ್ನು ನೋಡಲು ಗುರುವಿನ ಅನುಗ್ರಹವು ಕಾರಣವಾಗುತ್ತದೆ. ನಂಬಿದ ಭಕ್ತರಿಗೆ ಗುರುವೊಬ್ಬ ಕಾಣಿರೋ ಎಂಬ ಭಕ್ತಿಗೀತೆಯನ್ನು ಈಗ ಕೇಳೋಣ.
ನಂಬಿದ ಭಕ್ತಗೆ ಗುರು ಒಬ್ಬ ಕಾಣಿರೋ, ನಂಬಿದ ಭಕ್ತಗೆ ಗುರು ಒಬ್ಬ ಕಾಣಿರೋ, ಧ್ಯಾನಬಲ್ಲ ಗುರುವಿಗೆ ದೇವನೊಬ್ಬ ಕಾಣಿರೋ, ಧ್ಯಾನಬಲ್ಲ ಗುರುವಿಗೆ ದೇವನೊಬ್ಬ ಕಾಣಿರೋ, ನಂಬಿದ ಭಕ್ತಗೆ ಗುರು ಒಬ್ಬ ಕಾಣಿರೋ. ದೇವ ತೋರಿದ ಕರುಣೆಗೆ, ದೇವ ತೋರಿದ ಕರುಣೆಗೆ, ಧರೆ ಸೃಜನೆ ಕಾಣಿರೋ, ಧರೆ ಸೃಜನೆ ಕಾಣಿರೋ, ಕಾಣದಂತ ಭಕುತಗೆ ಗುರು ಒಬ್ಬ ಕಾಣಿರೋ. ನಮ್ಮ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಆತ್ಮವೇ, ನಮ್ಮ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಆತ್ಮವೇ ಮಹಾದೇವ ರೂಪಿ ಕಾಣಿರೋ. ಮಹಾದೇವ ರೂಪಿ ಕಾಣಿರೋ. ಕಾಣಲು ಬೇಕು ಶ್ರೀ ಗುರು ಸನಿಹ, ಸಾಧನ ಮಾರ್ಗ ಸಾಗಿರೋ. ಸಾಧನ ಮಾರ್ಗ ಸಾಗಿರೋ. ನಂಬಿದ ಭಕ್ತಗೆ ಗುರು ಒಬ್ಬ ಕಾಣಿರೋ. ಧ್ಯಾನ ಬಲ್ಲ ಗುರುವಿಗೆ ದೇವನೊಬ್ಬ ಕಾಣಿರೋ. ಧ್ಯಾನ ಬಲ್ಲ ಗುರುವಿಗೆ ದೇವನೊಬ್ಬ ಕಾಣಿರೋ. ನಂಬಿದ ಭಕ್ತಗೆ ಗುರು ಒಬ್ಬ ಕಾಣಿರೋ. ಗುರು ಒಬ್ಬ ಕಾಣಿರೋ. ಗುರು ಒಬ್ಬ ಕಾಣಿರೋ.
ಓಂ ಶ್ರೀ ಸಾಯಿರಾಮ್. ನಾವೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಈಗ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದ ಕೊನೆಯ ಹಂತಕ್ಕೆ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದ ಕೊನೆಯ ಹಂತವಾದರೂ ಇನ್ನೂ ಒಂದು ಮುಖ್ಯವಾದ ಕೆಲಸ ಆಗಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ. ಅದೇನೆಂದರೆ ಧನ್ಯವಾದ ಸಮರ್ಪಣೆ. ಮೊದಲಿಗೆ ನಾನು ಬೃಂದಾವನ್ ಭಜನ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಮಹಿಳಾ ವಿಭಾಗದ ವತಿಯಿಂದ ನಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರ ಪ್ರೀತಿಯ ಸ್ವಾಮಿಗೆ ಧನ್ಯವಾದವನ್ನು ಸಮರ್ಪಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ. ಎರಡನೆಯದಾಗಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಶ್ರೀ ಸತ್ಯಸಾಯಿ ಸೇವಾ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಇದರ ಪದಾಧಿಕಾರಿಗಳಿಗೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಈ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮವನ್ನು ನಡೆಸಿಕೊಡಲು ಅವಕಾಶ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಟ್ಟದ್ದಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳನ್ನು ಸಮರ್ಪಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಮೂರನೆಯದಾಗಿ ಈ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದ ಪ್ರಸರಣಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ಯಾರೆಲ್ಲ ಕಾರ್ಯನಿರ್ವಹಿಸಿದ್ದಾರೋ ಅವರಿಗೂ ಕೂಡ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳನ್ನು ಸಮರ್ಪಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಈಗ ಭಗವಾನರ ಆರತಿಯೊಂದಿಗೆ ಈ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದ ಮುಕ್ತಾಯವನ್ನು ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಜೈ ಸಾಯಿರಾಮ್.
ಓಂ ಜೈ ಜಗದೀಶ ಹರೇ स्वामी सत्य साई हरे. भक्त जना संरक्षक, भक्त जना संरक्षक पति महेश्वरा. ओम जय जगदीश हरे. शशिवदना श्रीकरा सर्वा प्राणपते स्वामी सर्वा प्राणपते. आश्रित कल्पलतिका, आश्रित कल्पलतिका आपतान्धवा. ओम जय जगदीश हरे. मातपिता गुरुदैवमु मरियन्तयु नीवे स्वामी मरियन्तयु नीवे. नाद ब्रह्म जगन्नाथ, नाद ब्रह्म जगन्नाथ नागेन्द्रशयन. ओम जय जगदीश हरे. ओंकार रूप ओजस्वी हो साई महादेवा, सत्य साई महादेवा. मंगल आरती अंधुको, मंगल आरती अंधुको मंगल गिरिधारी. ओम जय जगदीश हरे. नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण 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 ओम. नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण नारायण ओम. ओम जय सद्गुरुदेवा. नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण 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 ओम. नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण नारायण ओम. ओम जय सद्गुरुदेवा. नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण 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 ओम. नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण नारायण ओम. जय सुखिनो भवन्तु समस्तलोकाः सुखिनो भवन्तु समस्तलोकाः सुखिनो भवन्तु। ॐ